welcome. On this episode of Abby Normal Garage, we go to the Glory Days Tractor Show in Yadkinville, North Carolina. They had plenty to see here. They had garden tractor pulls, a pretty good show. We ran into a wheel horse junkie, although there weren't many wheel horses there. There were a lot of farmals and John Deeres though, which is pretty cool. Well anyway, sit back and enjoy the show. We start out with the garden tractor pulls in our presentation. We walked in right as they were pulling the V8 garden tractors. Now that's pretty cool. That's a 4-cylinder motorcycle engine. He was on the rev limiter the entire time. That's awesome. First wheel horse sighting of the day. It's a shame we didn't get to see him pull. Well, let's go walk around and see what we can find. Talk about hijack. Here we got the Little Foot. International Cub Cadet. Pretty neat looking build. I'd always heard about the original Jeeps being farm implements with 3-point lifts and PTOs, but I never actually saw one. We decided to set up here with our newfound wheel horse junkie friend in North Carolina. He had some pretty cool tractors. Ours fit right in. We're here representing the United States, the Commonwealth of Virginia, and Abby Normal Garage. Here's that Jeep again, towing this Power King. Here's the folks from the Davies Farm Fest. We're probably going to have to go to their show. That hit and miss engine was blowing smoke rings every time. Shame we missed it. He had this beautifully restored John Deere. Followed by this beautiful economy hit and miss engine. Here's a beautiful Super M and Super MTA over here. They were pulling around people in these wagons. There's just something about these Ford tractors. They look like hot rods. Here's another bunch of beautiful hot rod Ford looking tractors. This thing was cool. It was a Waterloo 1916. Runs on kerosene. This thing was pretty cool. They had it running earlier. I think it's weird how they have the radiator on there sideways, but you know. The sound you're about ready to hear is a big 2-cylinder John Deere start. So I started to notice a trend that there were John Deeres parked next to every single porta-john at this place. I wonder if they were trying to tell us something. These Cubs are pretty cool. I really like this Spirit of 76, and I think this snowblower tractor is cute because the snow tractor is like twice that size. You know, out of all the tractors we saw pulled, we did not see moving dirt get pulled, and we were very heartbroken. This thing is wicked looking. Now this one was cute. Obviously this is a custom painted Farmall called Pinky. It's real cute with the koala, the butterfly, the pink weights and everything. So this hit and miss powered ice cream maker is pretty cool. Check it out. Here we are cruising around on the trail horse, checking out the pit area of the pulling tractor section. There's plenty of cool looking rigs back here. Ha! We found another wheel horse pulling this turkey cart thing around. It's pretty neat. Well, let's go ahead and check out some of the tractor pulls. Whoops. Well, this concludes our coverage of the 2024 Glory Days show in Yadkin, North Carolina. It's starting to get dark and cold, and we got about a 3-hour drive home. If you enjoy the video, don't hesitate to like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and we'll see you on the next episode of Abby Normal Garage.